Now we'll review the Emergency Reserve tab. This tab is divided into several sections. Let's start at the top. Here, you can specify how many months you want your emergency fund to cover. You'll see an overview of the current emergency reserve, the emergency reserve goal amount, and the progress you've made toward reaching that goal. Next, there's a distribution chart that displays each component of your fund along with a progress bar. This tab automatically updates based on the needs assigned in the monthly budget tab, but you can adjust it as needed. For example, if we increase our grocery budget by 50, you'll notice the dashboard starts to update. If we change the number of months, the goal amount adjusts accordingly. Currently, our progress is at 0%, so let's change that. Head over to the contribution tracker. Enter the date of your contribution. Suppose we plan to save $600 for the month, but we could only manage to contribute $500. You'll enter $600 in the planned column and $500 in the actual field. The dashboard will now update, showing the progress you've made. Continue to track your contributions and make adjustments as needed. Good luck building your emergency reserve. This wraps up the review of the Emergency Reserve tab. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. Enjoy managing your finances.